Stop by and take a look at the 2026 Grand Wagoneer. The Jeep Grand Wagoneer 4x4 rocks. Easy to work on with a strong V8, a classic American 4x4. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, four-wheel drive, dual moonroof, turbocharged, panoramic roof, blind spot monitor, power retractable running boards, tow hitch, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.